जय श्री राम, बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. So this time I am just in front of the main gate of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi birthplace temple, which is located in Ayodhya. So let's see the view. Many more devotees and pilgrims always are coming to take the place of Sri Ram inside this temple. So we know very well that about that is the Ayodhya is one of the 7 holiest town in ancient India and an major pilgrimage destination for Hindus. So Ram Janmabhoomi site is famous for being the birthplace of Sri Ram and a symbol of divine presence and a spiritual devotion place. So I am also feeling so good here. So really it's a very unique, amazing that I am feeling here and awesome. So also Ayodhya is also featured in epic Ramayana, and Ramcharitmanas was ruled by many great kings including the Ichwanku, Prithu, Mandata, Harishchandra, Sagar, Bhagirath, Raghu, Dilip, Dasrath, and after that Sri Ram, and it was the capital of the Kosal kingdom. So once this temple was first time built by the king Vikramaditya, who introduced Vikram Sambat over the Shaka ruler Victory. So let's see, this is the Hanumangarhi temple. I am just in front of the Hanumangarhi temple, where I am also going to take the place of Lord Hanuman inside the temple. So even Hanumangarhi temple has a golden idol of Lord Hanuman. It is mounted among the most important temples of Ayodhya. Every day thousands of devotees visit Hanumangarhi temple and to offer prayer and seek Lord Hanuman's protections from evils and blessing for happiness and prosperity. So this is also one of the ancient temple beside the Hanumangarhi temple. It is just in front of that. So I have to also go to visit this temple, and this shrine is under the charge of Bajrang Mahants of Ramanand Sampradaya and Nirmohi Akhara. So really it's a very unique and amazing and ancient Hanumangarhi temple. So we can see how much crowd are always going to take the place from morning to evening during the 9 p.m. So many more devotees, you can see the crowd, and many more persons are also standing there in the queue, and even we can see the pure water facility is also available for drinking purpose. So and it is located just before the Ayodhya Ram Mandir and birthplace. So first it is one of the story that first we have to take the place of Lord Hanuman in Hanumangarhi temple, then you have to go to take the and seek the place of Lord Sri Ram into the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi birthplace temple. So let's see, this is the market. There are some shopkeepers, and many more shopkeepers also established here a small shop on the way from Sri Ram to Hanumangarhi temple, who are selling many more religious and spiritual things such as the prasadams and many more spiritual things like thread, garland, and ice cream. And there are also so many small restaurants such as the many more restaurant is also available here, like a non only veg. So this is just some peoples are also, let's see, this is there are also lots of persons are enjoying here. So I am also feeling so grateful here after coming, because I came here also from Haridwar. Just before one day I was in Haridwar, so I took the train from the Haridwar and I came here. From the Haridwar I also visit some sacred place such as the Deoprayag, which is known as the confluence of two rivers called as Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, that make as Ganga river from the Deoprayag. So I have also seen Alaknanda river, Bhagirathi river. I have also seen the Mandakini river, because Kedarnath is located on the top of Mandakini river origin point. So Let's see. And this is the place. Some peoples are also waiting inside the. This is the one of the best park here, and every facility is available in there. Like also, we can see many more pilgrims and devotees are also taking rest here everywhere in Ayodhya. Like there is a good and very good ashram is available here. So I also visit lots of temple including the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple, Hanumangarhi temple, Dasrath Mahal and Kanak Bhavan, including the Nageshwar temple and Narayan Swami temple. So let's see. And we can see here some cows and calves are also here who is grazing the grass. They are grazing the grass here in this park. And also even in all over India I found so many monkeys are also available in all over Ayodhya. Even they are not available in Ayodhya only. They are available at every places in Ayodhya, Vrindavan, Mathura and Haridwar and all over the holy and sacred place. So let's see, this is the Saryu river. Because of the law, it is also one of the important river of India which is flowing and coming from the Tibet from the Nepal to the India, flowing from holiest city Ayodhya that confluence it Ganga. So Lord Rama also arranged for the coronation of his two sons Lava and Kush after Sita went to heaven and Lord Rama had taken his last dip, that is called as a Jal Samadhi, to leave the earth and go back to his home, that is called as a original abode as Vaikuntha, which is presently called as Guptar Ghat at Saryu River in Ayodhya. So I also took the place and sacred dip into the Saryu River. So let's see how it is the view nowadays in Saryu River. Really it's a very amazing and unique. Also many more devotees and also came here, took the place and sacred dip into the Saryu River. And the bridge which is also crossing from the Ram Ghat, that is a railway bridge going to Mankapur for Chapia Dham also, which is the birthplace of the Narayan Swami. So this is the Lata Mangeshkar Chowk. So even it is also one of the glory place in Ayodhya. So we can see Lata Mangeshkar Chowk is located at the center of Rampath and Dharmpath in Ayodhya, which is a roundabout that honor the legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar. And this chowk is symbol of India's culture, legacy and a celebration of the singer's life and music. Because of Lata Mangeshkar, we also know very well her contributions to the Indian music industry in a career spanning 8 decades gained her honorific titles such as the Queen of Melody, Nightingale of Indian and Voice of Millennium. So she received several honors and awards like as a Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Bharat Ratna Award, Padma Vibhushan. So Jai Shri Ram, take care and subscribe.